Currently, Japan is in the highest of summer. Fireworks festivals and summer festivals are held all over the country. It's extremely hot, so we often eat refreshing somen noodles during this season. I will introduce a 5 delicious way to cook somen noodles and a recipe for somen dipping sauce. Please watch until the end. Let's cook somen noodles. Bring plenty of water to a boil in a pot. This is the same as when boiling pasta like spaghetti, but the difference is that you don't add salt to the water. Japanese somen and udon noodles already have salt added to them. Their pasta does not, so salt is added during boiling. To make somen noodle even more delicious, let's add a little twist. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. By making the boiling water alkaline, the somen will have a chewy texture. Add somen noodles. Once the water comes back to a boil, turn off the heat and cover the pot. Wait for 2 minutes. Check the firmness of noodles. If they are to preferred firmness, drain them and the colander. Rinse with cold water. Once completely cooled, wash the somen like this to remove any slipperyess. And now, delicious somen noodles are ready. Next, let's make somen dipping sauce. On this channel, I have introduced mentsuyu several times. Somen dipping sauce and mentsuyu are the same thing. First, heat 100 ml of mirin over medium heat to evaporate the alcohol. Next, add 500 ml of water, which is 5 times the amount of mirin. Add 10 to 15 grams of dried burnt flakes. Reduce the heat slightly from medium to low. Let it simmer gently to bring out the umami of the bonito. Remove the scum along the way. When the pot starts to bubble, add 100 ml of soy sauce. When it boils again, turn off the heat and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then strain it. Choose the somen dipping sauce. Serve somen noodles with your favorite vegetables. For the somen dipping sauce, adding grounded ginger or chopped onions is delicious. At the end of the video, I'll show you the most famous festival in Osaka, where I live.